Hey folks, it's Alan here again from LearnKoreanFast.com, and in this video we're going to talk about a simple but. Right? Before we talked about I like something more than, right? So a really useful word to learn and helps us be able to connect some thoughts together so we can start to string together a little more complex sentence structures is but. Right? There are a couple of different ways we can do that, but the most simple way, the simplest way is 그러나, 그러나, and basically it is but, right? So we had before, so 사과 좋아해요, right? I like apples, right? 사과 좋아해요, right? 그러나 banana 더 좋아해요, right? I like apples, but I like bananas more, right? So it's a really useful thing for us to be able to use, and helps us as a conjunction so we can connect two thoughts together and we can start to string together longer sentences, right? So we can use 그러나. There are a couple of other forms, and we'll talk about those in some other videos, but the simplest one for now is 그러나. So 그러나, but. So 사과 좋아해요. 그러나 banana 더 좋아해요. Right? I like apples, but I like bananas more. Right? Great. I hope you'll be able to put this to use right away in your Korean language practice and study. Right? If you haven't already hit that subscribe button, please do that so you can get notifications when I make new videos and they get published. And click the like and share. And if you've got a question or a comment, please leave it below. Thanks to everybody who's been checking out my website, LearnKoreanFast.com. You can go there and you get some free resources and some other information for how to learn and study Korean, right? And there's a link below also to my books on Amazon.com, because you guys buying those books does help me out a lot, and it helps me to have more time to be able to make more of these videos for you. All right? So again, thanks for watching. 감사합니다. 다음에 뵙시다.